Hello everybody, I'm Bill Fitzpatrick and it's my great honor to serve as Executive Director for the Arts Academy Charter Middle School. We are roughly 1 week following the conclusion of the school year, which ended in June 2023, and we have embarked on a very aggressive renovation project in the school. We'll be furnishing to you sort of the before photos, and we'll also a little bit later give you the after photos, but there will be major construction on the front of the building, all new flooring being put in, restoration or replacement of bathrooms and windows, and this will come a little bit later in the summer, but we're working on murals both on the outside and the inside of the building, which should make a very powerful statement about the arts, which is what our school is all about. So again, this is meant to be an introduction so you can see where we are 1 week after the close of the school year. This is the before. We can't wait to show you the after picture on this, but take a look at how aggressive we're being to give you a brand new and renewed school. We appreciate your consideration of our school for the education of your sons and daughters and look forward to seeing you in the fall.